Health experts say the United States has seen nearly 28,000 whooping cough cases this year. It's the second year in a row the U.S. has topped 25,000 cases, another sign of the risk of falling vaccination levels. The infection can lead to severe illness or death, especially in young children. 13 deaths from whooping cough have been reported in the U.S. in 2025, most of them children under a year old. That's according to the Pan American Health Organization. So far, there have been no whooping cough deaths in Georgia or South Carolina. However, there have been 470 cases in upstate South Carolina this year, according to DPH. It's unclear how many cases there have been in Georgia.